Everyone, welcome to STM. Today, we are presenting you our pipe bending machine, 65CNC4A. What is 4A? 4A is a 4-axis servo motor control. It has rotation, the pipe rotating, the pipe feeding, including the boosting, and the bending axis, and also the fourth is the bending head moving left and right. The head up and down is by hydraulic. You can see we are using very big and strong bending head and arm in this machine. And we installed the double stack toolings for 2 inches pipes, including the push bending tooling. And also we gave the tie bars for 2 clampings and the wiper die seat. It can make the bending more stable. Here, this is our latest bending system. It has the data importing and the simulation function. I will show you later. Also, we have the movable control stand. It has the double hand start function so that it can keep the operator more safer. This is the servo motor for bending. It's from Mitsubishi, 11 kilowatt. And those are the hydraulic component for this machine. We are using the top brand of the hydraulic components. For example, the hydraulic valve, we are using the German brand Rexroth. The motor, we are using SY, and the oil pump from UK and Japan. In this machine, we also give the customer separate oil chiller. This one can keep the oil in a very perfect temperature, so it can make the machine working in a very good condition to make the best bending jobs. This is the electrical cabinet, and we can see it has 4-axis servo drivers, all from Mitsubishi. This is the mandrel bar and the mandrel cylinder. Okay, that's all for this machine. I will share you the machine working, bending pipes later. See you.